Matman shapes. If we made Matman with a rectangle, what would Matman do? He'd be the real Matman, and his mat would be blue. If we made Matman with a circle, what would Matman do? He'd roll and roll around the floor, and then he'd roll right out the door. If we made Matman with a diamond, what would Matman do? He'd float up high in the sky, then he'd look down and wave bye-bye. If we made Matman with a triangle, what would Matman do? He'd hold the triangle in his hand and then ding, ding, ding in a marching band. If we made Matman with an oval, what would Matman do? He'd sit with Humpty on the wall, then hold him so he wouldn't fall. If we made Matman with the moon, what would Matman do? He'd go outside to tell the cow, ready, set, jump over me now. If we made Matman with a square, what would Matman do? He'd take his partner to the dance and do-si-do at every chance. If we made Matman with an octagon, what would Matman do? He'd stand in the street like a traffic cop and make the cars and buses stop. If we made Matman with a hexagon, what would Matman do? He'd count his sides from 1 to 6, and then he'd stoop to pick up sticks. If we made Matman with a star, what would Matman do? He'd make your wish come true, one special wish just for you. If we made Matman with a pentagon, what would Matman do? He'd say, count my fingers, look alive, now count my corners up to 5. If we made Matman with a heart, what would Matman do? He'd give us each a Valentine's and say, I love you, please be mine. If we made Matman with a blue rectangle, what would Matman do? He'd say, that's my mat. My mat's bright blue. Shapes are fun to do with you.